Hey guys, David here from TechOpt.io, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert Windows Server Evaluation to the full version without needing to reinstall. So if you've installed Windows Server using the Evaluation ISO from Microsoft's website, you may want to convert your installation to the non-evaluation version once everything is set up the way you want. Now it's not well documented, but there is a way to do this without having to reinstall the whole OS using the dism command in PowerShell. I'm using Windows Server 2025 here, but these steps will work the same for Windows Server 2016 and onward. Keep in mind that this method won't bypass licensing requirements, and you will still need a valid product key for the full version of Windows Server you are converting to. So like I said, we are going to be using the dism tool in PowerShell to do this. DISM stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management, and it's a tool used for servicing and managing Windows images. Basically, we want to replace the evaluation image here we are running with the full image. You will need an internet connection for this to work, so make sure you're connected to the internet before continuing. So if I go ahead and run WinVer here, you can see that I'm running the standard evaluation version of Windows Server 2025, and I'd like to convert this installation to just the regular edition of Windows Server Standard 2025. So I'll close WinVer, and to get started, I'll search for PowerShell, and I'll right-click it, and I'll click Run as Administrator. This is important. And I'll click Yes on the user account control. And the first thing we'll want to do is see what editions we're actually able to upgrade to here. So what I'll do is I'll type the command dism space /online space /get -target editions. And I'll hit enter. And just as a side note, PowerShell is not case sensitive, so any capitals for the commands in this video don't matter. Anyway, so we can see a list of the editions that can be upgraded to here. And in my case, I'm interested in this, upgrading to Server Standard. So once you've chosen the edition you want to upgrade to, you'll want to run dism space /online space /set -edition : and then the name of the edition that you want. In my case, I'll just put Server Standard. And like I said before, the capitals don't matter. And then I'll just do space /accept EULA to indicate we accept the terms for this version. If you don't put this, you'll get an error. And finally, I'll do space, and we need to add the product key with the /product key parameter. So I'll do product key : and then you'll want to type in your product key. So again, you need a valid product key for the edition you're upgrading to. So I'll go ahead and I'll type mine. And once you've typed your product key and your command is complete and looks like this, just hit enter to start the process. Now you'll see this progress bar here. It may appear to be stuck at 10 or 20% for quite a while. Just be patient and it will eventually move. This can take a while though, depending on your computer and internet connection, anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour I've seen it. So just be patient. Okay, and once it's done, we'll be asked to reboot. I'll just type Y and hit enter. Okay, and now that I've finally rebooted, we can see that I'm running full-blown Windows Server 2025 Standard. The watermark in the bottom right corner is gone. And if I run WinVer again, we can see that I'm just running plain Windows Server 2025 Standard. The evaluation is gone. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And if you'd prefer a written guide, I've also linked a written guide on my website, www.techopt.io, in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.